We are proceeding. We have already got that the number of moles of calcium carbonate are 0.00876 moles. Now, we want to convert those moles into mass. To get the mass, we use this formula. Mass in grams is equal to moles times molar mass. Now, the moles are 0.00876, and the molar mass is obtained from the formula of calcium carbonate. We have one atom of calcium, which is multiplied by the relative atomic mass of calcium, which is 40. 1 times 40, you get 40. We add one atom of carbon times the relative atomic mass of carbon, which is 12, you get 12. 1 times 12 is 12. And then finally, we have 3 atoms of oxygen times the relative atomic mass of oxygen, which is 16. So 16 times 3 is 48. So you have 48 plus 12 plus 40. You get 100. So the mass will be moles times molar mass, which is 100. You get 0.876. How do we get the percentage of calcium carbonate? So it will be what? The mass that reacted with hydrochloric acid, which is 0.876, that is the pure mass. We divide by the total mass, which is this, which was present in the sample of limestone, times 100. So we get 0.876 divided by 1 times 100.
Yes.
We get 87.6% pure calcium carbonate. So, back titration is a major challenge to a majority of the students. The students need to do a lot of practice on the same, and the student must be in a position to write a correct chemical equation.
Yes.
The chemical equations must be correct and balanced,
yes,
so that you start from the known and then you move towards the unknown.
yes,
In this case, we began with the moles of sodium hydroxide. Once we got the moles of sodium hydroxide, we use the mole ratio to get the moles of excess hydrochloric acid.
yes,
Once we got the moles of excess hydrochloric acid, we found out the total moles of hydrochloric acid which were present in 100 cubic centimeters.
yes,
Then we subtracted the excess. Then we found the number of moles that reacted. Okay?
Yes.
On getting the number of moles that reacted, then we use the mole ratio of that of hydrochloric acid to calcium carbonate to get the number of moles of calcium carbonate. On getting the moles of calcium carbonate, we now work out the mass of calcium carbonate, which is the same as what? Moles times molar mass. So when we got the mass, when we got the molar mass, when we got the mass, we divide by the mass, which is this one. We got the molar mass, we divide by the mass, and then we multiply by 100. We get the percentage purity of the percentage of calcium carbonate that reacted with hydrochloric acid. That is the end of this lesson. But don't forget to subscribe to @Laban in YouTube or to follow me in TikTok. Welcome very much in our next video.